Are you looking for the best carbon monoxide detectors? In this video we will look at some of the best carbon monoxide detectors. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Google Nest Protect Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. 5.3 by 5.3 by 1.5 inches sensor type, electrochemical with split spectrum photoelectric smoke sensor, power source, battery or hardwired warranty, 2 years, UL listed, yes. Shorter warranty period. If you're willing to spend a bit more, the Google Nest Protect is a smart smoke and CO detector that connects to your phone. Available in both battery-powered and hardwired versions, it offers several features that justify the higher price. You can silence alarms from the Nest app, especially useful in rooms with tall ceilings, and it can differentiate between smoke and steam, reducing false alarms in humid areas like bathrooms. When Nest Protect detects smoke or CO, it issues an early voice warning, identifying the issue and its location, while also sending alerts to your phone. It performs regular self-checks to ensure it's functioning properly and can even serve as a motion-activated nightlight, illuminating your home in the dark. Number 4. First Alert Interconnect. 5.6 by 5.6 by 1.9 inches sensor type, electrochemical and ionization power source, hardwired with battery backup warranty, 10 years, UL listed, yes. Requires other compatible alarms. Ionizing sensors are more prone to nuisance alarms compared to photoelectric sensors. For homes with interconnected smoke alarms, the First Alert Interconnect 2-in-1 smoke and CO alarm is a hardwired option that syncs with other compatible alarms. If one goes off, all alarms will sound, ensuring you're alerted no matter where you are in the house. This 2-in-1 detector meets the latest industry standards and includes a quick connect plug for easy installation. No additional wiring is needed. It also features a 9-volt battery backup for power outages, with an 85 decibel alarm for both smoke and carbon monoxide detection. Number 3. First Alert Precision Detection. 5.67 by 5.67 by 1 inches sensor type, electrochemical and photoelectric power source, battery warranty, 10 years, UL listed, yes. Different alarms sound similar. The First Alert Precision Detection 2-in-1 smoke and CO alarm combines sensors to monitor both smoke and carbon monoxide. It features a sealed battery that lasts up to 10 years and can be mounted anywhere, no wiring required. Its slim, compact design makes it less obtrusive than many other detectors. This newer model meets updated industry standards, reducing cooking nuisance alarms and detecting smoke from anything combustible. It sounds an 85 decibel alarm, with distinct patterns for smoke and CO alerts. An end-of-life notification also lets you know when it's time to replace the unit. Number 2. First Alert CO 400 Carbon Monoxide Detector. 5 by 3.4 by 1.5 inches sensor type, electrochemical power source, battery warranty, 7 years, UL listed, yes. Battery replacements required. If you're looking for a basic option, the First Alert CO 400 Carbon Monoxide Alarm is a battery-powered model that can be installed anywhere in your home. Its lightweight, cordless design makes it convenient for both home use and travel. It runs on a single 9-volt battery and features a single button for testing or silencing the alarm. When high CO levels are detected, it sounds an 85 decibel alarm. Additionally, it has distinct beeping patterns to indicate low battery or end-of-life alerts. Number 1. First Alert CO 615 Plug. 5 by 3.4 by 1.7 inches sensor type, electrochemical power source, plug-in with battery backup warranty, 7 years, UL listed, yes. Requires electrical outlet. The First Alert CO 615 Carbon Monoxide Detector is a reliable and affordable option that's easy to install. It features a convenient plug-in design for consistent power, along with 2 AA batteries as a backup during power outages. Simply plug it in, and it will immediately begin monitoring your home CO levels. What sets this model apart is its digital display, which shows real-time CO levels and records the highest concentration detected. Valuable information if you ever need to contact emergency services. If dangerous CO levels are detected, the unit emits a loud 85 decibel alarm. It also includes an end-of-life warning to alert you when it's time for replacement.